Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your MoonPay slash PayBox allocation for those of you that want to get free USDC. So recently I posted a video on my YouTube channel on how you can stay positioned for this airdrop reward. So it is free, you don't need to spend a dime, everything is free. And at the time of making this video around 6 a.m. on 31st of July 2026, they have enabled the site back. So recently I posted a video, although the guide was not me, but since the guide was simple, I decided to post it. And now you can check and claim your reward. And for those of you that don't know anything about this and want to get started, I'm going to drop the first video I made about this at the description of this video. So I'm going to tag it how to get started on to get your MoonPay reward. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and the fastest way you can see your allocation is to use a PC. So if you have PC, it's good you use PC because it's going to be fast. So what you just need to do is to connect your PC, make sure to log in your account, put the mail you use in registering the account here, then you can enter your account. After you enter your account, what you just need to do is to just click on connect to X. So you're going to see connect to X here. So I've already connected to X. They are not showing me. You can see my reward for this. You can see my reward for this. So you are going to see connect to X here. So after you see connect to X here, what you all need to do is to click on it and make sure to connect it to your X account. So it's going to authenticate, that is sync with your X account. Then you are going to see your allocation. If the reward is new or old, you are going to see your allocation. So the problem now that some of you might face is that after seeing your allocation, like now view drop, you can see this is what I have, but they are going to give me just $5 for me to interact first, because their new guide is that you interact. After you are done with the interaction, then you can come back and claim your full reward. So you can see on the screen. So the problem some of you might face is that you need to verify with a MoonPay account to receive the separated $5 USDC X reward, then complete a transaction to get the $100 USDC. Automatically I'm getting 105 USDC. So the issue now is that some of you might face regional blocking, especially in my region. The region where I'm from is not available because you need MoonPay, and MoonPay, like create MoonPay. So if you see, if I click on create MoonPay now, it's going to tell me that my region is not accepted to get a MoonPay account. So that is the problem. But if you are from another region that don't have any geo blocking, it's going to work out for you fine. So I decided to try and create a MoonPay account, but it's not showing me option to create a MoonPay, so which is very bad. So some of you might face regional. So if I continue now, it's going to show me that my region is not accepted. So if you have someone in the US or other country that can create MoonPay account for you, fine, you can give them your logins for you to claim your thingy. But still yet I'm still finding way to navigate around it, which I'm going to update you guys in my Telegram group. So make sure to join my Telegram group for those of you that want to get this update as quick as possible, because I'm going to surely navigate around it. So this is how you can check your reward. I posted the video, some of you said it's a lie. Please sometime make sure to go to X and confirm. So this is from MoonPay official site. They are giving out free USDC for people to interact with their products. And for those of you that don't know anything about this and want to get started, I'm going to drop the first video I made about this at the description of this video. So I'm going to tag it how to get started on to get your MoonPay reward. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So please make sure you are fast with it, because surely they are going to stop this campaign soon. If nobody is able to claim or see the reward again, I'm going to pin it at the comment section. So if it's still on, I'm not going to pin anything, but I'm going to pin it once it stops. I'm going to pin it at the comment section so that you will not waste your time. Alright guys, so this is what you need to do to check your allocation. And those of you that have regional blocking, you can't claim due to you can't open a MoonPay account and verify it. Just make sure you find another alternative. Even if you use VPN or so, it's still giving issue. But if you have any alternative on how you can go about it, you can join my Telegram group and make sure to update me. And I'm also going to update you guys in my Telegram group. So make sure to do well to join my Telegram group. And don't forget to give this video a like. Make sure to comment and see you in my next update about this. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.